Good day everyone, today I have a tutorial for you on how to make a YouTube banner for your channel by using Canva. So to do this, just click on the search bar and type in YouTube banner, okay, and make sure that you choose you see the icon here with YouTube. Make sure that you use this. Don't use the aesthetic for now, just use this line here that says YouTube banner with the icon on the left. Okay, now a couple of things to explain to you before we start, right? So all these banners are made without the sizes in mind. So if you didn't know about this, I'm going to explain everything. So basically YouTube uses a certain resizing mechanic that is applied on every single YouTube banner. And basically what it does, so as you know, people watch YouTube from different devices, right? So, and basically YouTube resizes your original banner and shows it in a different form on a different device, right? So I'm gonna explain everything. Okay, so let's begin. So press on the create a blank YouTube banner because we're going to create a new one from the scratch. I explained why. Click on the plus. So we have a new page untitled design. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to enable a ruler that will show right here and on the sides as well, so that we can properly resize our and see what kind of what part of our banner is going to be displayed on which particular device that the person is going to be watching it from, right? So I'm just going to change this background to black just for personal comfort. Okay, and now we need to go to File, View Settings, and click on Show Rulers and Guides. Press on this. And now as you can see, we have a ruler here and we can start working. Okay, so now that we have a ruler, now we can start actually applying and segmenting, basically splitting our whole banner onto different segments, right? Onto different parts that will be seen by the user based on what kind of device he will be using to watch, basically enter your channel from. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is you need to grab a right side of this thing here, all right, and you need to drag it to a certain number here. I will tell you which one. Okay, so just click on here and drag it. Okay, so the first one is going to be at 2053, all right, let's drag it onto the right. Okay, so the next one is supposed to be at 507, just carefully drag it. Okay, now drag from the top to 508. And the last one is 932. Okay, so now that we have done this, the next thing we're going to do is add a logo. Go to Elements, just type logo. If you have your own prepared logo ready to use it for the YouTube banner, you can just upload it. Right, there's an upload section here. You can just upload it from your computer, and yeah, you can use it. But if you don't, you can just search and type in logo, press enter. It's in the designs. So go to the design and type logo. I'm just gonna use say this one, gaming channel. All right, so now I'm gonna get to the most important part. So as I said, YouTube splits the YouTube banner to different segments. So basically the way this works, right, is the TV that people will use will have the whole thing, right? So the TV is going to display the whole logo, like starting from this very angle here to this angle here, and from here to here, like the whole image, right? 100% of it. For PC and for Android devices or iOS devices, basically smartphones, it's going to have a different scaling, and it's going to actually crop and resize your logo and make it smaller, right? So I'm going to show you which one is used for desktop computers. So desktop PCs will have this line right here, like this right, this line will be used for desktop computers. And the most important thing, right, people are now using a lot of smartphones, and basically like the most popular platforms like TikTok, Instagram, all of them have reels, right, like these vertical videos. So a lot of people are using smartphones, and the part of the banner that people on smartphones will see is this one in the very center, right? Like this one that I'm showing you. So you need to make sure if you have say something beautiful, like maybe your own photo, like of your face, or maybe you want to show something that will something beautiful, or like a line of text, like something important, you need to make sure that it will stay in this particular at the very center of your banner, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just delete this. This is unnecessary. All right, and I'm going to move this piece of text. I'm going to resize it all the way so that it fits into this center of the banner, right? So like this, as you can see, it fits right here, right? So this is what you have to do. So if you have some sort of line of text that you want to show, just make sure that it's not up here or down there or in the corner. It has to stay in the center, right? So I'm just going to make it even more small so that I can fit in this tips and tricks line of text as well. Okay, so as you can see, I have fit in the text part, and now I'm going to resize this guy right here as well and put it right here so that it fits even smaller like this. Now it's done. So as you can see, all of these parts, like all the text, explanation, YouTube channel, make sure that the person reads, just make sure that it's in the center, right? So, and basically this is how you do it. This is basically done, right? This is a ready banner for YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.